Hey guys, here's Thortanic, and this is my contest entry for Blackhawk fan for the category Best Habitat. It's my giant day gecko tank. It's 39 inches long, 19 inches wide, and 51 inches long high. You can see there are very nice green plants. These plants are all real, but I think one or two plants are not real. That's plastic plants. You see it here and here, but these are living plants and some moss. And I have very much bamboo in this tank, and he loves to sit on the bamboo swing. It's here and there. So it's a very big habitat for my gecko. I'm looking for my giant gecko. He is here. So you can see it's a very big habitat. So this is my entry, and goodbye.